move yet, and they're currently stopped at just north of you around milepost. Where you at, I-Train?
137.7.
137.7, guys.
Okay, copy that. Thank you, guys. Do we have an ETA of when they'll get moving? Just trying to figure out.
Yeah, good question. I just spoke to the patch crew. They're grabbing their paperwork and getting a ride out there.
All right, copy that. Thank you, 401.
Thank you.
You broke up a little bit. I heard get you out of there, over.
Crossing order in front of you. I'd like to issue it so you can get a signal over.
Okay, look for a signal, 4014.
Have a crossing XH when you're ready to copy.
Okay, stand by. We have form C96523 pulled up, dispatcher.
Okay, read that to me and I'm ready for you.
Form C96523, Valley Subdivision, 918, comply with procedure XH at MP141.06 on all tracks on Valley Subdivision. Ground crossing restriction 9653, comply with procedure XH at MP141.06 on all tracks, over.
Show correct at 1117, 1117, DEF.
That 1616 back to the tool car, over.
Fall back.
Copy that, Ed.
Let me know when you're on back there.
1515, engineer on board.
Alright, ready to go. Hello, tool car, over.
Yeah, tool car's all aboard, ready to highball.
Here we go, 4014 highball. .06. That crossing gate on the west end does not come down. You can turn that into an XG, over.
Okay, the same crossing you said is now working, over?
That is correct. We have to stop and protect, over.
Copy that, thank you. I said out.
Bob, 40, big boy out.
57 EP4014, over.
4014, go ahead, over.
You got a minute to copy down Bronco instructions so you don't get held up there?
Yeah, conductor ready to copy, over.
UP4014, you will pick up Bronco Whiskey at intake milepost 232.75 for Eastward Escort. Do not depart intake milepost 232.75 before establishing contact with Bronco Whiskey, over.
IP4014 stands Bronco Whiskey picked up for escort at milepost 232.75. Do not depart milepost 232.75 without establishing contact with Bronco Whiskey, over. Copy that, 57?
Copy, yeah. Just be on the lookout after tunnel 8. Be getting on the pad.
Alright, thank you. Appreciate it, over.
Thank you. 57 Miller, do you want to read it back to me?
And 4014, got that slide fence in a mile, over.
We got that slide fence coming up.
That's correct.
257 Whiskey, hold on a second. 257 Whiskey by 259. Whiskey 259. Zero 1 4 258. 258 Whiskey 260. 260.
Yes, sir, this is Young. We have a crew on duty 550, 1750, and we have a ride arranged with maintenance away to bring them down. Most likely crew change point will be Quincy, possibly Keddie, over.
Alright, pilot understands, 1750, 1750, crew on duty, maintenance away, bringing in a truck, possible crew change at Quincy or Keddie. Copy.
That's correct. I'll be in comms with them and give you updates, over.
Copy that, thank you, pilot.
Thank you, Young, out.
The local? I'm not sure, they're going to switch right there at the junction.
Yeah, it's Portola local, it's a Woods conductor.
Okay. Give Woods a call before I get up there, that way we can make this quicker. Even if you want to bump off to 25 there, we're out of our big curves. If you give me the okay, if that team wants to do 25, we'll do 25 once we get up, start out at Quincy Junction there. Morton to the UP 4014 east, over. 4014, go ahead, over. Yeah, this is Alan Morton, taking over for Craig Miller, Bronco Whiskey. We're going to run the same job briefing as he did. Only difference is I'll be escorting you instead of Craig. All right, I understand swapping and proceeding with the same and previous instructions, over. All correct. All correct. And I'm at 281, so whenever you hit 279, we still got our buffer, we're good to go. All right, knocking down 279 right now, and you're at 281. That is correct. 279, Whiskey 281. Here we go. RDUP 4014. 4014, go ahead. Yeah, can we get some extra horn there at Keddie White? Got quite a bit of people there. I watch for people at the Keddie White. 280 and Whiskey 282. Whiskey 282.
Whiskey, milepost 292.
292 and Whiskey 294.
Whiskey 294.
Yeah, Dad, you better give a little extra whistles when you get up here to the loop. There's people everywhere right on the track.
Alright, you said whistles? Alright.
Fuel car 4014 over. 94.052525 mph. Over.
294.0525 mph. Thanks, Bruce.
Yes, sir.
4 Bronco Whiskey, milepost 293.
293 and Whiskey 295.
Whiskey 295.
You're almost to 294 there, UP 4014.
UP 4014. 5 milepost 294.
294, okay, and Whiskey 296.
Whiskey 296.
About ready to hit 297 there, Dave. So we can make up time in the tunnel. So I'll be in the tunnel when you hit 295.
Okay, when okay, 295, you go to the tunnel 3 miles.
Yep.
Okay, copy.
Morton, I'm at the top of Lee Summit, so I'll try to relay for you. Okay.
And we got a 15 mph for the tunnel.
Yep.
Okay, copy. P4014, Bronco Whiskey, milepost 295.